anti-programmers, my name is Sapna Sahai. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can make a navigation and the pathfinding system by using Unity editor. Just take a quick view of my navigation and the pathfinding system which we are going to make. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first make our navigation system. We need a land over here. So go to the hierarchy and go to the 3D object and take a plane. Set its position according to the camera. Okay, so we have our plane means land. So change its name land. Want to navigate this land. So for this we need a navigation window over here. So go to the window, AI, click this animation. You can see here we have our navigation window over here. So before make a navigation system, we need to know what is navigation. Navigation allow our character to move all over your game world by using the navigation mesh. Navigation mesh is automatically created on your scene geometry. So just go to the navigation and choose that object which you want to navigate. So I'm going to choose this land, and you can see here we have our land over here, and just tick this navigation static and go to the bake. Adjust the radius and height of your object according to you, but the height the 2 and the radius 0.5 is a very good ratio to navigate any object. So just bake. You can see here we have a blue land over here which is known as the navigation mesh. Only our character will only move on this blue area. So we have our navigation system. After this, I want that our character or object will find his destination automatically. So how we can done this? Choose a character according to you. Okay, so before start, just go to the scene, sample scene. You can see that we have our NavMesh land over here. Go back to the asset. So click on the your character and I'm going to name it the player. After this, we need to create a destination or goal where our character will reach. So I'm going to create a cube over here as a destination or goal. Okay, so now we need to write a small script over here for reach our character to his destination or goal. So just go back here, create C# script, rename it, on this. Okay, so we have our Visual Studio editor where we are going to write our script. First we need to define our AI which we are using for navigation. So just define here engine.ai. After this we need to define our object over here which we are going to access. We do not need over here the void update, so just delete this. Under the void start, So what I done here, I defined our game object which we want to access, the transform goal. After this, under the word start, we create a variable. Under this we store the value NavMesh agent, and after this we want to call our destination, so I use this agent as our character. So agent dot destination is equal to goal dot position where we want to reach. So to save this, go back to the Unity. Okay, so after this we need to create a NavMesh agent through which our character will find his destination. Okay, so go to the component navigation, NavMesh agent over here. You can see that our NavMesh agent is automatically added to our player. Okay, so after this we need to simply add our script to the player. So just drag and drop this player into this player. You can see here we added our script. So in the goal here, just drag the destination, this cube. I'm going to rewrite its name, the destination. So just drag this destination into our goal here. So just drag and drop this into this. Just save your scene by Ctrl S. Now press play. You can see that our character will automatically reach its destination. It's working perfectly as we want to do. Now I want to do, if any obstacle is in the way or in the path of our character, then how our character will avoid this barrier to access his destination. So how we can do this? So just make a barrier over here. Okay, so just take a cube for making barrier, resize it and set its position. Okay, so first make a barrier here and go to the cube. We need to add the two component here. First, rigid body here, and second we need NavMesh obstacle. After this you need to take this curve over here and just save your scene by Ctrl S. Press play. Now you can see our character is avoiding this obstacle or barrier and reach its destination as we want. Just make its duplicate. Ctrl S and press play. Now see, our character is start avoiding all these barriers as we want to make. Okay, so here we have our navigation and the pathfinding system. I hope you will enjoy my video. In my next tutorial, I will tell you how we can add the animation with the navigation and the pathfinding system. So see you there.